Today we're going to show you a product that's going to revolutionize how you carry your overlanding gear. No, seriously, how you carry it, because it's our new triple run shoulder strap, and this works with an absolute ton of Blue Ridge Overland Gear products. Matter of fact, if you've got a Blue Ridge Overland Gear bag, there's a really good chance that it works with it, because it works with a lot of them, and I mean a lot of them. Because right now, we've got it on our tool bag. Probably one of our most popular products. There's a couple of iterations out there. So let's take a look at how this attaches and some of the features and benefits of this strap. This thing works with a ton of stuff. Essentially anything that's part of our triple run, which means it's gonna have this webbing and these D-rings here that run down the front or the back of the bag. The tote, for example, even has them on the end. So if you wanna anchor it that way, that's an option as well. So let's take a look at some of the features that are built into this relatively seemingly simple product that make it an awesome shoulder strap. For starters, it has a ton of adjustability. For the purpose of this video, we've got it cranked almost all the way down, but you can just grab this 3-bar slider, slide it down and get tons of room. Up top, we got this nice leather pad. This is the same leather we use in some of our other products for logos, the touch points on the tour duffel and things like that. As you use it, it will kind of contour to your shoulder more. And then it actually has step webbing, which means we use 2 different sizes, so it can't slide from one end to the other. It's secured onto the webbing piece using that 2-inch section in the middle. And then probably my favorite part is this really cool piece of hardware that we've started using. So it's this cool kind of S-shaped carabiner, and the reason that we like it is, for one, the wire gates are really high quality. We can't get these to even cross gate when you push on it really hard. That's a good sign of a carabiner that's gonna last a while, even under load or hard use and lots of use cycles. Another reason we really like these is that it's all right angle, so you have a flat surface for the webbing to feed through, and it doesn't bunch up, and especially here, it glides back and forth really easily. And they each have a little bottle opener included right here. So this is our new triple run shoulder strap. It works on tool bags, first aid kits, tote bags, tool rolls, gadget bags, and all kinds of other Blue Ridge Overland Gear products. It's a great thing to keep in your rig. You can find this and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.